pre-requirement rally for uniform service for the ex-PDCK Cadres. The 7-day pre-requirement rally for uniform service for ex-PDCK Cadres continues at Monjuli village in Marwa Basti Field, Balishan, which lies along the Assam-Arunachal state border. The training program is organized by Biswanath Police in collaboration with the 30th BNC RPF. Around 65 ex-cadres of PDCK are taking part in the pre-requirement rally. The youths are being trained on how to prepare themselves for various requirement rallies in the uniform service. The People's Democratic Council of Karbi wrongly, PDCK was an armed militant outfit which sought to obtain sovereignty of the Karbi.